Hi, my name is Dan Winterland, President and founder of HuntTheNorth.com. Since 2003, we've been researching out the top upland bird hunting adventures across North America. In Alaska, we exclusively endorse Alan Spalinger of the Izembek Lodge for his world-class Alaska ptarmigan hunts. The three things that make Alan's hunt so special are, first of all, the location. The Izembek Lodge is located within a stone's throw of the Pacific Ocean and overlooks Cold Bay, Alaska. Secondly, the hunting that Alan has is unbelievable. He can offer willow and rock ptarmigan hunts, low elevation and high elevation hunts, and a fully guided or semi-guided opportunity. And the third thing that Alan has to offer is actually an upland waterfall combo hunt for the area of Brant in the lagoon of Cold Bay, Alaska. Bottom line, this is an unbelievable world-class hunting opportunity in Alaska. If you'd like to hunt ptarmigan and Brant in Cold Bay, Alaska, give Alan Spalinger a call. Let him know that Dan from HuntTheNorth.com sent you. And for more details, check out the Izembek Lodge on the Alaska Upland Bird Hunting page at HuntTheNorth.com. Here's a bunch of successful photos from Alan's hunts over the past couple seasons.